Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, sexy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done, doing everything amazing. We are going out. The weather in Paris is wild today. It is raining and cold. Oh, I forgot to wear the top that I'm going to wear. Let me just get the top quickly. I'm wearing my top. Let's get into the outfit. This baseball cap is from Esprit. The top is from Cause, and I just left the tank top to show. The denim pants is from Bershka. I wanted to wear my Prada monoliths, but because of the weather is the way it is, it's been raining, I'd rather wear this knockabout that needs to be washed. The Axel Arigato. This weather is crazy. Sunshine, it rains. It is giving Manchester. Should I say I do not understand? I don't understand actually. Why some of these people, especially the women who come across my videos, I've seen this on Instagram and on TikTok as well, and they will be like, I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. I bound you in the name of Jesus. I forbid you in the name of Jesus. May the spirit of you not come around me and things like this. The level of religious psychosis that some of you are dealing with. Seek help because you need it. Homosexuality is not a disease. It is not a sin. It is not demonic. Some of you are out here talking nonsense. Meanwhile, you are married to some gay men, thinking you're married to straight men. Crazy behavior. I have decided to wear this sleeveless blazer or vest. It is from Mango. This 2 bracelets, my wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger. Okay, yeah. My dear, my lips are always going to be juicy and moisturized. So we are going to do brown sugar from Summer Fridays and Bioma Peptide Lip Oil. Le Ducy Pour Homme from Isimiyake. Black Juniper from Labolorio Lido. This tote bag from Longchamp. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Like and share. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.